So I got you covered here on the supports. So to do a solid support on, let's say, the old Pikmin here. Okay, so I have them in yellow, and then one of my spools here is Pet G. Okay, and that's my spool 4. So then what I do is I go to supports, turn on supports, and you can use normal or tree. I'm going to turn on tree this time. And then you go down here, and under support interface, I select my Pet G spool. Then I go down to top Z distance and change that to 0. And then I go down here to top interface spacing and change that to 0. Now, the other thing I like to change, but it's not necessarily required, is I do like to change the interface pattern to concentric, but that's just me. But that's what I changed for the supports, and they normally work pretty good. Oh, the one other thing would be turn off flush into object support. That seems to help. So if you do those things, and we go over here and hit slice, you can see that our top 2 layers here are Pet G. And it's right up tight. Oop, sorry, one moment. So it's right up tight against it, and it'll give it that support. Now sometimes, like I did a video on this one failing, this little section was just too thin. This print is actually supposed to be an SLA print, and I kind of tried to do it on the Bambu, and it would have came out if this little plastic here would have been stronger. But it was so weak right there that it just gave out when I even tried to pull this off.